Welcome to Crazy Indian Hacker. Hi friends, today in this video I am going to be explain Geo AirFiber. So Geo AirFiber, how it is working and review and what are the channels we are getting, what are the OTT channels we are getting, how really worth in main city Chennai and Hyderabad and Mumbai really is useful or not. So I will clearly explain. So you can see that one till end of the video, then you can understand that one how much hype created for Geo Fiber and is worthable or not. You can see it step by step. So to be frank, I am telling that one. So this is very honest review. Clearly I am telling very honest review and how customer care also working. So you can see that one from this video. This is completely Wi-Fi entertainment service, 550 plus digital channels, TV channels we are getting, 15 plus OTT subscription we are getting, unlimited Wi-Fi power and device at no cost extra, but terms and conditions apply. So installation also terms and conditions apply, and what are the terms and conditions explain, I will explain here, and how much speed we are getting and is it worthable or not, and how Wi-Fi is working, I will explain. 550 TV channels. Really, I'm telling that one 550 channels in Indian language. All the languages it is covering, and it is really worthable. So clearly, I'm telling it is really worthable if it is working fine. Mainly, ladies can enjoy if they missed any episode or any serial in their channels, so they can see later also. Except Amazon Prime and Netflix, mostly all OTT channels are covering, and also AHA. AHA also it is not covering, but plans will be there. So 599, 899 and 1199 plans will be there, and based on that one we can act. If you want Geo Air Fiber, you need to check availability in your area whether the signal strength is good or not. So you need to fill this form. So how Geo Air Fiber will work? So we will call tower. So that is called 5G G node B. So from the tower, the signal will come from the sub 6 wave outdoor CPE. From there, through wide connection, it will connect to the Geo Wi-Fi router. So from the Wi-Fi router, you can use for your laptops, for your cell phones, for your Geo STB. That is the way we need to be work. So first initially the technician will identify exactly where exactly tower will be there. That is called 5G G node. So you can see here, so they identified tower in this direction, so they identified here. So the tower is near to me, so there is no issue at all. Around 2 kilometers distance it will be there, so no issue, it will get good signal, so they told to me. So now what they're doing, it means sub 6 wave outdoor unit, that is called receiver. This receiver will receive wireless signals from the tower. So this receiver will receive wireless signals from the tower. So exactly we need to be installed opposite to the tower. So where exactly tower is, we need to be identify, and opposite direction we need to be install it, and we need to be face exactly to the tower. So this is the concept will work. From there we need to take wire into the house. You can see here the connection is coming from receiver to directly router we are connecting, so it is going inside the house. So you can see here, this is the way we need to be install it. Next step, installing the Geo Wi-Fi router. So this is called, this white color box called Geo Wi-Fi router. So how we need to be connected means, from antenna RJ45 cables reach inside the house. So from there we need to be connect RJ45 direct cable to this Geo Wi-Fi router and powered up. So then almost setup is done, 80% of the things. So now the RJ45 cable which came from the antenna, so we are going to be connect to the Geo Wi-Fi router and going to be powered up. So this is the exact setup, and 80% of the setup we have done. So exactly this is the setup we need to done. So you need to be place it where exactly you need. While whole house you need to be cover signal means, you need to be think it where exactly right place, then decide it. So where exactly, because of this is completely Wi-Fi router. Now next step is STB with TV means Geo setup box for TV we are going to be install it. So this is Geo STB with the TV. So you can see here we can next step we are going to be install this one only. So we are after installation. So about the software need to be update and the network. Sorry, first network we need to be configured Jio AirFiber. After that one software need to be update. So as a educated person you can understand clearly. So these are the channels we are getting, YouTube channels and everything. So the installation done. Now it is working perfectly. There is no issue at all. My wife watching very interesting series what she needed. She enjoying. My kid watching all the Cartoon Networks and other channels, YouTube and all those things. I am watching English channels, so there is no issue at all. And also I am listening so many YouTube videos and songs. So very fine for 2 days. I am very happy for 2 days. There is no issue at all. So here only biggest problem happened. After 2 days, nothing is working. Nothing. Customer care is also not working. So how Jio AirFiber is not working and how customer care is negligence. You can see here. So I don't know why first 2 days it started working and the second 2 days why it's not working. So I don't know really. So very biggest problem happened to me and biggest mistake what I have done means 1 year subscription I have taken. 1 year subscription I have taken and 12,000 rupees I paid and I have discontinued local network. So because of in my area there is no proper official net, so that is the reason local net, but it is working fine. Out of 100 Mbps I am getting 32 Mbps max. Sometimes 1 MB also I am getting. Sometimes there is no zero I am getting. You can see in net also. Suddenly I'm watching some English channels or some other my wife watching or my son watching. So suddenly this is the way happening. You can see here suddenly will struck. So I don't know why it is going to be hang the TV and completely the zero will rotate inside the TV. Actually you can see here the zero will rotate it is coming, see here. So friends, it's not yet completed till end you see it. So this is the way nothing is working. I don't know why what happening and all those things. So you can see here suddenly stopped. So sometimes it will take 1 hour, sometimes it will take 1 day, and sometimes it taking 4 days to solve the issue. But customer care, no one is responding. They will tell that one we will send the person to visit your house to solve your issue. But next day you will get your problem is solved, but they will not solve anything. You can see here on signal part you got cross mark. You got cross mark, it means that one there is no signal itself. So sometimes question mark you will get. So sometimes funny things. Net is working, but there is no internet availability. So this kind of messages you will get. So most funny things will happen. And Geo TV sometimes if you are going to be switch on, it will take 10 to 20 minutes. So to launch the app, actually to launch the app you will get 20 to 30 minutes to launch the app. Say very worst. I don't know how other YouTube channels are given reviews to that one, but even my friend also I recommended, he also installed Geo, but he also suffering same thing, not me. Now he is scolding very badly because I only recommended him and he also wasted 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees he wasted. So this is the way it will work. Friends, if it is working, very fine. There is no work, there is no issue at all. But if you face an issue, it may take 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours. You can see here network connected. So you can see here network connected and internet availability. Cross mark is there, it means not available. And question mark will be there and cross mark will be there on the net. So you can see here. So now we will go to the settings and we will check it what exactly happening into the net. So you can see here I'm going here and I'm testing speed test, internet speed test I'm testing. So here you can go here and the signal is connected and connecting. So we can see here how much we're getting means forget about 0 Mbps, it is not at all connecting. So this is the issue we are facing, friends. So my request, you take your neighbors help. If net is good then fine, otherwise don't take these things because of this. Mainly Geo AirFiber launched for remote connections. Remote connection means whoever not having the uh, optical fiber net in that area, we can recommend that one. But really I'm telling that one, I'm staying main Chennai city, Sholing Nallur. So Sholing Nallur I'm staying, which is hardcore of the city. Here itself there is no signal, means you can understand that one. Village people don't believe the Geo air fiber. I clearly am telling, don't believe Geo air fiber. So this is my honest review. So this is the way, there is no network connection right now. So very bad actually. I don't know how to do, but uh, unfortunately I paid 12,000 rupees for this one actually. But every day I'm struggling a lot. Every day I'm struggling, and customer care also not responding. So they will open the case, and the next day your problem is solved. But signal strength is very good. You can see here signal strength is very good. 100% signal strength is there actually. So there's no issue at all. That's all friends. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel. Thank you all. Bye.